there will be an increase in the value of Shiba Inu currency. However, despite the fact that the value of Shiba Inu currency is constantly going to increase, I would still like to discuss the significant targets that are given in this post. You need to have an understanding of the levels of support and resistance in order to comprehend the reasons for the actions and reactions that the Shiba Inu coin is exhibiting these days. In this video, we are going to discuss it, and before we do so, I would want to congratulate everyone on their Thanksgiving holiday. It's possible that by the time you watch this movie, you've already consumed all of the food from your dinner. It's possible that you're either getting ready for bed or having dinner. I have no idea. On the other hand, I hope you had a wonderful break. I hope you are able to spend it with the people you care about, including your family, friends, and other loved ones. However, hold on. Let's chat about Shiba Inu coins. Write this single now. If you think it would be something that you would be interested in, then let's get started. I want to introduce myself. My name is Clay. Pepe Mime is something that we should glance at for a moment while we wait. That is something that you ought to watch if you haven't already started doing so. Below the text, there is a link that will take you to it. In Pepe Meme, if you become a whale, you will be eligible for 8% incentives. And the price is spiraling out of control. You are now able to make purchases with any cryptocurrency that you possess. SHIB is not anything that I would give you in exchange for it. Do what the tale instructs you to do and escape. Nevertheless, you do intend to make a purchase with Solana, right? Approximately $2,300 is the value of 10 Solana at the moment. On the day of debut, your Pepe joke will be valued a total of $20,600. When that time comes, you can anticipate that many will be taking profits, which means that launch day will be quite volatile. To purchase something, you simply need to click the Connect Wallet button. Select the method by which you want to link your wallet, and then proceed to purchase something. On the other hand, if you want to know exactly how much yours will be worth, you can type in the amount that you paid, drag this little tool to the right and left, and on the day that it launches, it will reveal that $24 will be worth $351. What a cool thing. In order to observe the transactions as they take place, it is necessary to look at the times that occurred 31 minutes, 21 minutes, hour, 3 hours, and 5 hours ago. As a result of people shopping throughout the day and stocking up, these individuals are constructing a sizable community. The company already offers a game for Telegram, as well as games for Web3, as well as venue to begin producing meme currency. Additionally, take a look at this. At X, they have a total of 500,000 fans. They are given a great deal of help. Through this enormous group and account, you have a lot of opportunities to market your company. Okay, gentlemen? Pay attention to this. I have no doubt that they have the potential to become something. For all you know, you never know. I believe that on the day of debut, such start prices will be quite volatile, despite the fact that it is hard to anticipate whether a price will move up or down. In the event that this occurs, you are the one who is awake and making a significant amount of money. At this point, let's talk about Shiba Inu coin, because according to this article, Shiba Inu is getting more solid on the upside, which is something that I agree with myself. Let's take a moment to read this article before we move on to discussing the price activity that has been taking place. After the market has regained its power, it is possible that the meme coin will be able to overcome the resistance barriers that are currently in place and enter a new growth phase. The cryptocurrency specialists at Rose Premium Signals on the X platform, which was once known as Twitter, made a prediction that the Shiba Inu coin might be ready for a technical indicator that indicates that it is gaining significant momentum. At this time, a growing number of individuals are of the opinion that the price of SHIB will experience a significant increase in the not-too-distant future. Shiba Inu currency has been in a period of stability for a few days now, but Rose Premium has reported that the token is finally exhibiting signals that it may be able to break out of its significant price trend. On the other hand, the collection zone can be found between the coordinates of 23.80 and 25.40. Take note of this. What do you think of these guys? They look to be pretty decent. Get a look at it. I am currently in this area, and I would appreciate it if you could bring this somewhat more conservative right to the candle body. It is possible for you to acquire your 2540, 2560, and 2380 right here at these light bodies. At first glance, it appears that I was a little more rough with the wicks. These individuals are absolutely correct in their assessment of this building zone and a potential break to the upside. In addition to that, they are spot on with the candle bodies. What do you think about it? It is stated that after the current state of affairs, according to Rose Premium, indicates that SHIB will continue to rise as it moves closer to these support levels. As potential next steps for Shiba Inu coin in the next weeks, the platform has identified additional levels of resistance, such as 31, 34, 32, and 37 as potential future stages for the cryptocurrency if it continues to rise above these levels. At this point, mine is somewhere around 3. For me, it's sometime around 35. I am 37 years old, and I do not actually have one. If we are able to breach the 35-point mark, I believe that we will be able to see a much greater run. If we were to finish in the top 3, I don't believe we would face much more difficulty. In my opinion, we are going to be heading to 4s and 5s and possibly even to all-time highs. This is the reason why the tool provides traders with warnings about how to effectively manage risk. It is absurd to take on as much danger as possible. While we wait for evidence that the breakout has taken place, we will monitor support zones. Keeping a close check on SHIB is still a vital asset to keep in mind during the short-term progress. Considering that someone asked me that question at the live concert a few days ago, I suppose it is time for me to discuss the reason for this for a moment. He stated that he has been using 1% stop losses, but because all of his trades are being stopped out, he continues to use that stop loss in his trading. It is also a very, very tight stop to have a stop loss of 1%. I was taught by one of the most successful traders I know that you should never allow a single move to cause you to lose more than 1% of your total portfolio. Additionally, he advised that you diversify your investments by not investing all of your money into a single trade, but rather purchasing 5 to 10 different equities during the course of your investment portfolio. In this manner, you are able to establish stop losses at any level between 5 and 10%, depending on the amount of money that is currently invested in each position. It's extremely near to a stop loss of 1%. What exactly does it mean to place your stop loss order right below the levels of support? This amount of support at 23.50 would not be ideal for me to utilize as my stop loss. The price is hovering between 23.80 and 23.90, but have a look at what happens. The price is currently hovering around $23. As we speak, it is approaching 23 degrees. In the event that I were to put an end to this, I would come here and see that, sure, it has recently decreased to approximately 22.60 per hour. In the event that it violates this line, there is a robust possibility that we will witness a reversal as well as a slight retreat. I would follow their advice and set the stop loss somewhere below the support level. They suggest that this is the best way to protect against losses. When the support is broken and confirmed to the downside, you will be able to enter the market at a much more favorable price. Though it would have been a much better deal if you had stopped out and then it went all the way back down here. If you set your stop loss at 23.50 and the price wicks down and strikes that level, then it immediately bounces back off of that support. And it goes all the way back up to 2,700 points a coin. Having something like that occur is something that is extremely, extremely irritating. Because of this, they want to achieve